Great agents, it's summertime and time for summer masterminds. We heard you loud and clear from our focus groups and labs. You love masterminds and networking with great agents and coaches. Some agents say this is the best event MAPS does. Come and find out. Mark your calendar, 10 to 3, just 5 hours. Central Time, Wednesday, July 21st. Who is this event for? It's for everyone who wants to have a bigger life. And what does a bigger life mean to you? Maybe it's not about production. Come and hear and find out. To begin the mastermind on Wednesday, 2 top coaches, Sajak Patel and Jordan Freed, are going to speak in the morning on the art of life fulfillment. They will share some valuable techniques on how to convert that inner critic to an inner coach that leads you to a life of fulfillment. What is a life of fulfillment? How do you recognize if you have it? How do you create it? And most importantly, how do you keep it if you have it? After that, you're going to be joining a great mastermind with like-minded agents with similar production, masterminding great challenges. Come see your friends and make some new ones. We have great coaches facilitating. Go to MAPS Coaching Newsletter and click on Masterminds. Or go to Masterminds, plural, masterminds@kw.com and sign up. It's free to Mastery clients and only $49 for everyone else. I look forward to seeing you on the call.